Apple's music streaming service, Apple Music, has over 100 million songs, and that number keeps increasing. But if you are paying for this service, are you making full use of it? Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and today I'll show you the best settings for Apple Music to make your songs sound better than they do now. Let's get started. To get started, go to the Settings app on your iOS device and scroll down to Music. Tap on it, scroll and look for the Audio section. Tap on Dolby Atmos and turn it to Always On if you have the Apple's AirPods Pro or any other pair of headphones that supports surround sound if you want this experience. Next, tap on Audio Quality. Turn Lossless Audio on. This will enable you to hear songs as the artists who created them want you to hear them. Now, for mobile data streaming, Wi-Fi streaming and downloads, change whatever option is selected to high-res lossless. This will ensure the maximum output quality from the songs that you listen to on Apple Music, but will increase the data consumption, so you might not want to enable all of them all the time. Open the Apple Music app, go to your settings, scroll to the audio section. Now select audio quality and toggle lossless audio on. For mobile data streaming, Wi-Fi streaming and downloads, change whatever option is selected to high-res lossless. On the Apple Music app on your Mac, choose Music, then Settings and click on Playback. After this, under the Audio Quality section, check Lossless Audio and select High-Res Lossless for both streaming and downloading. You can also turn Dolby Atmos on if you want to. One last tip, the music you have already downloaded to your device on Apple Music will not play at a higher quality after changing these settings. You can delete these tracks and download them again if you want to listen to the highest quality version, but this will use more of your device's storage space. You are now good to go and can listen to songs at their maximum quality on Apple Music, even when you're offline. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please like and share it. And for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets 360.